Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This one is a requested video on how I edit my intro video. This is a simple way to make an 80s inspired intro videos for your YouTube channel. So let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to download the app called Prequel. It is available on App Store or Google Play. Click on the plus sign. Select any photo. After selecting the photo, click on the intro option. Here there are various types of intros. You can select any one of these. Tap on the intro you like and change the text to your YouTube channel's name. But the problem of this app is that you won't be having 16:9 ratio. So I'm using 1:1 ratio on Prequel app and then importing the video on any other video editing app with 16:9 ratio. And then import your video. And that's all for this video. If you have any doubts regarding this video, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe to this channel if you want to and click the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, we'll see you on my next video. Till then, peace out.